Polite requests in English. Mastering, I was wondering if. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of polite requests in English, specifically focusing on the phrase, I was wondering if. This is a great phrase to have in your vocabulary as it can make your requests sound more respectful and considerate. The phrase, I was wondering if, is a polite and indirect way to make a request or ask a question. It's particularly useful when you want to sound respectful, considerate, or a little formal. Here's an example. I was wondering if you could help me with this project. This sentence is more polite and softer than directly saying, could you help me with this project? By using, I was wondering if, you show that you value the other person's time and effort. Now let's take a look at some more examples of using, I was wondering if. Asking for information. I was wondering if you know when the next meeting is. Requesting a favor. I was wondering if you could lend me your book for the weekend. Inviting someone politely. I was wondering if you'd like to join us for dinner tonight. Seeking permission. I was wondering if I could leave early today. Notice how all these requests sound more respectful and less demanding when I was wondering if is used. Now it's time for some practice. Here are a few scenarios for you to try crafting sentences with I was wondering if. 1. You want to borrow your friend's camera. 2. You're interested to know if your colleague has finished the report. 3. You'd like to invite your neighbor to a community event. 4. You need to ask your boss if you can take a day off next week. Try to come up with polite requests using I was wondering if for each of these situations. Remember, practice makes perfect. That's all for today's video on making polite requests using I was wondering if. I hope you found this lesson useful and that it helps you make your English conversations more polite and respectful. Remember to practice using these phrases in your daily conversations. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.